Okay, so this is the website you're going to use. I put the link in the email. You can see myonlineepic.com. You're going to come up here to this week's assignments. It's the only thing you have to worry about. And you'll see the list of assignments here. Make sure you go in order because it's math and you know one builds upon the other. So what you will have to do for this is you will have to come in here and copy this, Control C, into a new tab. So you'll see here it says watch the video and submit pictures in your handwritten notes. You'll just take a picture of what you took on notes, and then when you get to this part, you'll upload it here. So you just click on this. It's a video. She does kind of slow, but she is really, really good. This is another teacher here at Epic that I go to for all my math stuff. She's amazing. She knows her stuff. Then the worksheet she's talking about in the video will be right here. So same thing, you just click on it and it'll pop up. So you will, some of these she goes through with you in the video. You are just going to do the first 10. Some of them have 40, some of them have 60. You're not going to do that many. We are trying to, first 10, we'll see if you can, you'll know if you know it or not. So we're going to do the first 10. You'll write your stuff. You don't need to print this. You'll just write it out on a piece of paper, and then you'll have to take a picture of it and upload it. So you'll do the first 10 of these after watching the video, and then you'll go to this Google form. Okay, so here's where you put your email down and you click add file. You just upload the picture that you took of your notes, and here's the picture you took of the work you did on your paper. And then you just go through and put the answers in for the first 10. So it does go on, you know, of course, wrong, but do the first 10, and then it has the red asterisk there. So you do have to put those in. So just put A for all of those after number 10. Okay, then you click submit. Don't worry about your score because it's not going to be correct because we're not doing all of them, but I'll be able to grade it. Then some of these will have a study island with it. Let's see if any of these this week do. Okay, so like this says study island ribbon. So you just need to go through and do the study island, and you'll go to, it won't be assigned like it was the test. You'll go through and do, on the left hand side it'll say okay programs. You click on that, you click on high school math, and then you'll have 3 options to pick from. Pick algebra 1, and make sure you do the one called forms of linear equations, or whatever the name of it is this week. Okay, and if you have a study island thing, you don't need to do the worksheet part. Okay, we don't need to do all those extra steps because we're trying to learn it, but we also are trying to get done at this point. So when you are finished with these, you'll click I'm finished. Do you have any files to submit with this assignment? So if it's one where you did study island and you're not going to do the worksheet, you're going to click yes, and then you're going to upload that picture of your notes that you took. If you don't have that and it's one that's where you're doing the form, you just click no. Okay, flex it off this. And then once you click I'm finished, this will go away and you won't see it anymore. And then this will change to say how many you completed each week. So you have 13 to do, so that's 2 to 3 a day. If you can do more, I would do more. And then once this list has disappeared, text me and let me know, and I'll add the next one on, okay? Because this is just breaks it down for a week. So I would do as many as you can because you kind of have a lot to get through with math. If you have any questions at all, call me, text me, we can Zoom, whatever you need. I am here to help you. They're also written in the email, so I just want you to have a couple different options of seeing. I want you to actually see how it goes too, because I know you're a visual learner. Again, let me know if you need anything, and until then, I'll talk to you guys later.